We are not mechanics. Please watch only for entertainment purposes. Everything we do or say is most likely wrong, dangerous, or plain stupid. Don't let Dave's good looks sway your judgment. Don't let Juan's rugged exterior make it seem like he knows what he is talking about. I mean, even our name, UnHandy Mechanics, is an oxymoron.
Oxymoron.
Hey, hold up. You can't do that. That is a diss. I ain't no oxymoron, all right?
That should tell you everything you need to know about us. Oh, like and subscribe.
All right, back with Dave's car.
Back with another video, as so many people like to say.
We're gonna do some hood struts. Then we're going to do a battery tender, which is the Viking 4 amp battery tender. So he doesn't have to worry about his battery. I already have it on the Eclipse. All right, yeah, let's get the hood open and we'll get this stuff. We'll get this in there, right? Go ahead, Dave. Use the muscle.
40. How old am I? 43? Fuck, I can't remember.
Well, I'm 41, gonna be 42, so.
Yeah, so I'm 43. He's like, let's make Dave look like an idiot. All right.
Yeah, don't stab me. Ooh la la.
See, I have gloves on. I'm a hand model, and these gloves not doing me justice.
We got it for, I think it was like $29.99. Always look for a coupon, obviously, at Harbor Freight.
So we got the manual, this little thing, and then an actual unit.
Yeah, and then it comes with, you could do it two ways. You could either do it, I guess if you just need to charge a battery that's not in a car. And then what we're gonna do is, we're gonna connect the leads. Looks like it comes with its own, damn, what the hell is that called again? Fuck. What is that called? I'll figure it out. What's cool about this, it has a built-in fuse. So that's what I was looking for before, a fuse. Thanks to AI. What was it, Google AI? Was it Google?
Yeah, Gemini.
Thanks, Gemini. All right, now when disconnecting the battery, you can always disconnect your negative first, because that'll cut the power to the car. And then you could take off your positive. So always negative first, and then the positive. And then reverse when you put it back on. So positive first, then negative. I always keep this when we get a new battery, just so that when you do take off the negative, just so that like there's some sort of barrier, God forbid this slips and hits, at least there's a barrier to that.
You taking off this?
Yeah, you're gonna take that bolt off. Yeah, you see you gotta unscrew that bolt.
Pucker. Oh, come on.
Now you gotta wiggle.
Oh.
Gotta wiggle waggle.
Use the wiggle action. We're gonna set this up. I'm gonna go right like that. Get this in there. And then we got our nut on. And here we go.
And now the fun side, the negative.
Once we attach this, the alarm is probably going to start, so I got the keys here so I can shut it off.
So this is connected fully, nice and down. Now, kind of clean this up a little bit. Remove our little safety. Now it might spark just a little bit, but I guess, actually let me start this thread a little bit because this is kind of loose. At least I could start it on there. There we go. All right, it might go off.
All right, I'm ready.
gonna go off.
It still got you.
And it still scared the shit out of me.
I turned it off pretty quickly.
That was pretty good. That was like, you know, when they test people for their reaction time.
Yeah.
That was like perfect. I knew it was going off, and it still scared the shit.
I was actually surprised. I thought it was gonna go off sooner.
Let's tighten this, and then we can figure out how we're gonna hide that wire.
I hope I got a good shot of you jumping.
Oh no, dude, I fucking scared the shit. So we got the positive, negative connected, and now probably just like tuck this around. Don't want it to get pinched when the battery might move. See, look, we can just kind of like tie it down to here. You know?
Yeah.
But before we tie it down, let's plug it in, make sure it actually works. So that's what's so cool, nice little quick connect or disconnect, connect and disconnect. And we'll, yeah, let's plug it in. I'll laugh if it doesn't reach. No, other way.
Oh, wrong side.
You stick that in, that's gonna be a fun day. It's gonna be a fun day. Hold on, wait.
Oh.
I think you're supposed to connect.
You connect that first?
Yeah, here. Actually, yeah, hold it. So it's super simple. And then I'll let Dave connect it. I almost got shocked, so now it's his turn. Hold on one second.
Am I unplugging yours? What am I unplugging? Oh, wait, you got stuff there.
Will it reach?
Hang the red, yeah.
There we go. Okay, now we need to change battery type. So, as you can see, his is a 12 volt standard, but you can change it to, I think, 12 volt with winter setting, and then you can go 6 volt standard and then 6 volt winter setting. So that's what it's doing right now. Bam, it's working. Sweet. So now it'll maintain your battery.
Sweet.
And once it is fully charged, I'll show you what it looks like on the Eclipse. So the Eclipse, it's on there. It'll stop and then it goes into maintenance mode and it'll just stay full. All right, Dave, you can tell them what we're doing because now I'm pissed at myself because I'm an idiot.
So you can see right here, there's something we forgot to attach back to the negative. So now we have to undo it, put it back on, go through the whole alarm thing again. But yeah, no biggie. You know, that's what happens when you're us and UnHandy.
Yeah, and I swear it's not on purpose.
You would think I would have seen it, but no, I
I
didn't.
bet you while we filmed it the first time, you could literally see. The worst part is
Yeah.
it's sticking out, literally.
Whoever watches
this.
this is probably going to be like,
Yeah, like, please.
You guys forgot something.
The moment that you're watching it and yelling at us that, hey, stupid, there's literally something sticking out, like saying, take me, I need to put, go back on. Let us know. I mean, if you haven't watched the first video, you'll see that it took us 4 hours just to get wheels off. So,
Well, I mean,
that wasn't 100%.
just to find the part
That wasn't 100% our fault, but
to get it back on, so that's something for another day.
Coach Gennaro.
In the comments, let us know if you know what movie that's from.
40 yards?
How long was that?
40 yards? I don't even drive that far. Okay, I think that's good now. Would you agree?
I would agree.
Nothing else sticking.
I can see
up?
there's nothing else that we did not attach.
Okay. All right, so we just finished the battery tender, battery maintainer officially. Now it's done. Kind of zip tied it to there so we can easily just pull it out. What's our next part of the project, Dave?
We're gonna be putting in some new hood struts. As you can see, we have to use a
Handy dandy.
piece of wood to hold up the hood because these guys don't work.
Go grab those struts.
Where are they?
Right up there.
Ah. I was looking around for them.
What is this, Amazon's finest or what?
Yeah, these are from Amazon. I think they were 25 bucks. You can see that brand there.
Lift support.
A premium.
We don't lift it. Buy another one.
It had pretty good reviews, but there were a couple of reviews that said that the base doesn't actually align properly. But I was like, most of the reviews didn't say that. They fit just fine. So we're gonna see what happens, make sure that hopefully these align right. If not, then we'll have to figure out a workaround for that.
We're gonna take, so this is a 12 actually up here for this bolt. I mean, you know what? I don't know if it's a 12 for this one, so. Okay, both are 12s. It's a 12, that's a 12, and then those are 11s. 12 millimeter, by the way, obviously. Too high, but I'm gonna just make sure it's not going because I don't wanna.
We're good. We're up on. If we had a. It's like, let me try to pop in.
Here, hold it. Let me see. I'll grab a. It feels like it's slightly too big.
Yeah.
Alright, so let's get the 10 on.
You have a long 10? Or?
That's what she's. That's a little too much information, you know what I mean?
Oh, sorry.
I'm not trying to get those DMs blown up, you know what I'm saying? If you got a long 10, you might be a busy man.
So this is a family show?
Oh, sorry. It is a 10. I'm just an idiot.
Okay, so they're 10s, not 11.
I'll take. It's a long 10. Thank you very much. Get it right?
Yeah. See, this is actually working.
Oh, see, it's funny how that works when you have the right
We have the right
fucking
side.
one.
All you need is a long 10 like this guy and everything works out great.
Life's a lot easier. A lot more people like you with a long 10.
Robin, this means you've always been my one true love because it's just the right size.
It's not the size that counts, it's how you use it.
There we go. Now that's on.
So that was the part that everybody was saying was the issue, possibly?
Yeah.
Okay.
About that
So that-
metal lining.
So that's a good thing. Now we might just have to move the hood a little bit.
Yeah. Go as high as you can.
That's a
Is
good.
that it? Alright. If you get tired, you can always switch.
Okay, fine.
Oh, I think I got it now.
When I drop it on you.
Yeah, it's on.
There we go. Cool.
Okay, we just had to get the right angle. Alright, I think that's good.
I mean, technically, I think you could do it with a screwdriver. Because there is a spot for a screwdriver there. Although I haven't used the kind
Oh.
of this done. Let me just choose the hardest avenue. Screwdriver might work. There is.
Okay, that's gonna work. That's not going anywhere. This is awesome.
Did we just do two things in a matter of like, not too bad?
Couple hours?
I mean, we screwed up several times, but. Alright, so let's see. I think we did it. Now, Dave, go ahead and shut the hood. Now, pop the hood. Wait, is your alarm on?
Yeah, it never reset.
No, I'm saying you didn't re-alarm it
No.
like last time?
No, it re-alarmed because it went off and I had to shut it off. I never had to shut it off again.
Come on.
Fingers crossed.
And they, what do they call this? The money shot? I'll let you do it.
Aw, you're so sweet.
I'll unlatch it for you. Give it the nice.
It just goes fast.
Eureka.
That is beautiful.
It's almost like it was meant to do that. Dude, I gotta get some of those from my car.
It's freaking awesome.
Sweet, bro.
I'm just happy I don't have to hold the hood up anymore if
No.
I try to look at something.
So battery tender in with all accompanying wires back to where they should be. And hood struts complete.
And that, my friends, is how it's done.
Like, you need like a specialized tool just to get to that one bolt.
Yeah.